Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to attack someone in Monopoly Go. So first of all, open your Monopoly Go app as you can see on your board. Now you need to land right here on the train station as you can see. And once you land on this board, then you will start to attack someone in Monopoly Go. So I will show you an example. Now here as you can see we have a chance to attack someone. So in your screen as you can see you have a option here. You have a button at the bottom which is a switch opponent. So here we are gonna tap on the switch opponent and you have a chance to choose different player to attack. Either you want to revenge or you want to attack someone from your friends. So from this I want to stake on this account and I just need to tap on the building or landmark that you want to attack. So for example, I want to attack this big building right here. And once you attack this one, you will get a money reward. So that's how you basically attack someone in Monopoly Go. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.